Do you want to find out the best tax software for tax preparers? Then you want to stick around till the end of today's conversation. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweet Kiwi Show. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous, if you're to ask me. And if you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. Today I'm going to have a serious conversation with you about the best tax software for tax preparers. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, please check out our methodology approach. We do have on this show a rigorous approach when it comes to categorizing, reviewing, and evaluating all the software programs that we do review on this show. Check this out. All right, let's get into it. Number 15, Federal Direct Tax. We have scored this program 7.5 over 10. This is a tax business partnership package that includes cloud-based tax software. It is supported by additional resources to help you in marketing and research. Price-wise, they're kind of decent. The prices range from $299 to $24.99. The thing here is that this package is kind of cool for tax professionals, along with people who are in the what I call the people who support the tax industry. The software supports tax return e-filing, and you can track the e-file status of a return in real time. You can use an interview method to fill in client data on any tax return, and you'll be able to file everything from 1040 to 1041, 1065, 1120, 990, and 6 and 706. Next, number 14, CCH Pro System FX Tax. Our score, 8 over 10. And this is a high-end tax pro solution priced at a premium. And it actually delivers greater functionality when integrated with other CCH Pro System FX Suite applications. In terms of price range, we were not able to get some prices from the company, but I should just say that this is upmarket software, so you must request a quote because prices vary depending on modules acquired. And the software includes thousands of automatically calculating sheets covering federal, state, city, and country returns, and form eligibility can be checked by running diagnostics. And the great thing here is that this software will support e-filing, so you can easily check the e-file status of any return using the program. And we also love the fact that, when you dive into the whole CCH Pro System FX suite, you know that this is a comprehensive suite that really caters to various professional tax preparers along the value chain. So our score, 8 over 10. Number 13, Ultra Tax CS. Our score, 8 over 10. This is a powerful tax preparation software that is best used in combination with other CS professional suite programs that add a ton of functionality. Functionality is very important here, and we love Ultra Tax CS for that. And the price range is around $2,500 for the express version, but you must request a quote for the standard version. Overall, this is a decent package. It does not include all state returns though. So for your information, you are limited to a maximum of 10 states with Ultra Tax CS Express. The Express version comes packaged with Checkpoint Learning Professional CPE access that is not available with the standard tax software version. One thing I want to say also is that you can e-file forms of 706, 709, 99, 990, 1040, 1041, 1120, all the way to FinCEN Form 114. Number 12, My Tax Prep Office. Our score 8 over 10. This is a cloud based system suitable for mobile workers and for in person consultations with clients. And the price range goes from $4.95 to $10.95 online. Now, the great thing here, what we like is that My Tax Prep Office has a customizable widget-based dashboard, so you can alter the layout and color settings for ease of use. In terms of plan supported, in terms of form supported, it supports individual and business returns, including 1065, 1120, 1120S, 1041, 990, 706, and 709, and all states are included. Number 11, ATX. Our score 8.5 over 10. This is tax professional software that provides a large number of IRS forms and schedules, including most business tax forms, and it lacks an online application. That's the only thing. That's the only reason why we couldn't give this software package a higher score, because it lacks an online application. So but the thing here is that, and this is one of the packages by Wolters Kluwer. This is a great company, and they have a very comprehensive tax form library that includes around 6,000 tax compliance forms. It has most business returns, making it a very attractive product for someone servicing a large number of business or corporate clients. And the thing here is that you also have there is a tiering system here, so you have a high end, the mid market, and the low market when it comes to ATX. I should just say overall, this is a decent tool. This is a decent package, and I mean high quality package, very well resourced for all the tax preparers across the value chain. Number 10, Alt Pro. Our score 8.5 over 10. Alt Pro specializes in supporting cloud-based professional tax software for preparers, but it needs to be more user-friendly, and is not really ideal for a high volume of corporate returns. And price range, you have $749 for the desktop version, and for the online versions, you have the prices range from $399 to $649. So the originally Alt Pro was a web-based tax preparation service portal, and now what they've done is they have matured into a full-service comparable desktop version. And its suite of tax pro applications is priced at the affordable end of the market. So they are affordable, but again, you can't use them for a high volume of corporate returns. An individual 1040, 1040NR, 1120, 1120S, 1065, 1041, 2290, 990, 720, 8849, along with all state tax returns are included. And the great thing here is that e-filing is free with Alt Pro. Number 9, Tax Act Professional Edition. And this is a scalable software bundle. And what we like here is that their pricing lets you pay only for the user licenses and the federal and state returns you need, though this adds an extra layer of complexity to your decision making and purchasing. In terms of price, you are having $140 to $1,600. That's the desktop version. The great thing what we like is that we have reviewed this Tax Act Pro in depth, and we've noticed that over the years they have the software has undergone much needed changes, and data entry now supports both standard form entry and the question and answer method. And in terms of forms supported, they cover the whole gamut. And Tax Act Professional features bank product integration with the Republic Bank refund transfer program. So that's pretty cool for if you service a large number of individual clients and you want to handle the back office part of things in terms of refunding. You can actually go through Tax Act Professional and handle things through the Republic Bank. Number 8, TaxSlayer Pro. Our score 9 over 10, and this is a comprehensive e-filing and bank product support software that is great for desktop applications, but limited corporate tax software features on its online version. So the desktop version is pretty cool, is very resourceful, but online they can still do better. but we still give them a 9 over 10. And the price range, you're looking at $1,200 to $1,500 for the desktop version and $13.95 for the online version. Now, TaxSlayer Pro is packed with the features you would expect from professional tax software, right? I'm talking about multiple tax forms and schedules, all state tax returns, e-filing, error checking, cloud-based reporting, IRS refund estimation, unlimited customer support, and a wide range of bank product solutions. So the package comes in 3 versions. So you have the classic, the premium, and the web. Number 7, Intuit Pro Series. Our score 9 over 10. Pro Series Basic appears too limited in features, while Pro Series Professional offers a comprehensive option targeted at QuickBooks offices, although the time savings from integration are not significant. In terms of pricing, you're looking at a range of $539 to $2602 for the desktop, and in terms of online filing, they have a paper return system. Intuit, as we all know, is an established company whose accounting software, QuickBooks, is widely used, right? So as a tax pro, you'll be able to transfer data directly from the QuickBooks desktop program to the Pro Series desktop version. And one using QuickBooks Online will be able to transfer data to the Pro Series Online version. We like this Intuit Pro Series because of integration with QuickBooks, but also with its ability to be integrated with other software programs. So 9 over 10, our score. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. We are continuing our ranking here. So number 6, CrossLink. Our score 9 over 10. And this software appears to be a good all-arounder tax preparation solution, but there is limited online documentation of the software features. So you want to try the demo on the website before you purchase. And in terms of price range, you have to reach out to them because you got to talk to a representative, and that's the only part we didn't like while reviewing this software. You need to have a long phone conversation with the sales representative. Now, CrossLink focuses on providing a professional desktop solution for high volume tax return preparation. That's the keyword here, high volume. So as of this year, the CrossLink 1040 software includes both form-based and interview-style data entry modes, and they cover all 50 states. They also cover all forms. And if you're looking for a cloud-based service, you can opt for CrossLink Online. It has many of the features of CrossLink 1040 and can be accessed via web browser, tablet, or mobile device. Number 5, Drake Tax Software. Our score 9.5 over 10, and this software package focuses on speedy tax preparation via automatic form filling and offers multiple tax year analysis. And it plays well with Drake accounting software. So if you're looking to have some kind of interplay between Drake accounting software and Drake tax software, this is where you want to go with this option. In terms of price, the price range for the desktop version $330 to $16.95. For the online version, you have $99 per month plus the software license, and the ultimate DR price ranges from $1,000 to $1,100. And the thing here is that, as we all know, you probably, if you're in the industry, if you're a professional tax preparer, you certainly know Drake. And Drake software offers a professional tax management suite that caters to small and medium-sized accounting offices rather. It is offered on 2 platforms. So Drake on the desktop and Drake in the cloud, their web-hosted version. And the desktop version comes in a paper return option priced at $330 with a $22 charge per return filed with the IRS. One thing I also want to say is they cover all the 50 states, and for faster e-filing, Drake tax users can instantly approve completed return via built-in PIN and consent screens. And the e-filing function lets you attach PDF documents to tax returns. So overall, this is a very, very, very high quality software package for tax professionals. Number where we are at number 4, TaxWise. Text-wise, our score 9.5 over 10, and this offers bilingual accessibility and a host of instructional resources, including live and on-demand webinars. Price-wise, they're pretty decent. $5.99 to $27.39 for the desktop version, and $299 for between $299 and $17.29 for the online version. Now, Taxwise not only provides tax preparers software, but it also seeks to equip you with additional knowledge through live stream sessions and on-demand Tax Pro webinars. So if you compare Taxwise with Ultimate Tax or other tax software, you'll find that you'll find that most tax software programs offer similar features, but where Taxwise really shines is their bilingual accessibility and the diversity of instructional resources they have. And they offer comprehensive Spanish language support, providing over 60 forms and schedules in Spanish. And they also have bilingual customer support available. And another nice Taxwise resource is what we've seen, their tax help menu that gives you access to research and educational materials, including line explanations, practice aids, IRS publications, the U.S. Master Tax Guide, a forms library, and an online community forums. But some materials are only available to buyers of the premium price Taxwise Power software. Number 3, Ultimate Tax. Our score 9.5 over 10. Ultimate Tax offers cost-effective, feature-rich products at affordable prices, including the most affordable corporate bundle. And price range is pretty decent, very, very affordable. It goes from $200 to about $900 and $600 for the online version. And the Ultimate Tax family of products caters to a wide range of users, from new tax preparers to industry veterans. And this includes a mobile app, Noti launched in 2020. Though they differ in a few key aspects, all Ultimate Tax software versions are very similar in how they operate and function. They cover all 50 states. They actually also cover the majority of forms from 1040 to 1120, and this is a pretty good software program. Number 2, 10 over 10, perfect score, Lacerte. Now, this is the best software for preparing complicated tax returns. In terms of, we weren't able to get the price on the internet even after contacting the company, so you must request the quote because the price varies depending on modules acquired. And Lacerte is an Intuit high-end tax preparation software to prepare the most complicated tax returns, such as consolidated returns and returns for oil and gas companies. And Lacerte can import balances from QuickBooks Desktop and integrates with Intuit Practice Management. And they have a lot of good pros. You can consolidate subsidiary tax returns. You can complete complex oil and gas returns. This is a high-end software that provides a paper return option. And in terms of, you also have one thing that you have to remember is that they do offer 3 plans. So they have the Lacerte 200 Federal 1040. This provides 200 individual returns for a fixed price and business returns for a paper return fee. You have Lacerte Unlimited. This provides unlimited individual and business returns for a fixed price. And then you have Lacerte REP, the REP. This provides paper return pricing for individual and business returns, but also requires an annual license fee. Number 1, drum roll. Number 1, the best tax software for tax preparers, in our view, is ProConnect Tax Online. Our score 10 over 10, perfect score. This is the best tax software for QuickBooks Online Pro advisors. In terms of price, you have to reach out to the company to get the price. And if you are an avid user of QuickBooks Online, you're probably going to like ProConnect Tax Online, because this is designed specifically to serve the tax preparation function for firms centered on QuickBooks Online accounting. And the programs integrate very tightly with and they can be managed from a single dashboard inside QuickBooks Online accountant. And the software is priced on a paper return basis with no annual fee. And what we also like is the fact that this is a cloud-based system. So this eliminates information technology headaches, and you can manage tax returns from your QuickBooks Online dashboard. And it covers all the 50 states. It covers all the forms from 1040 to 1120. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Studio Kiwi Show. We are about to wrap up to this conversation, and I just want to give you an overview of the conversation we had today. When it comes to trying to find when it comes to finding the best tax software for tax preparers, there are a few things you have to keep in mind. Let me just kind of give you our recommendations at a glance. So if you are on a tight budget, Ultimate Tax Paper Return can beat on value for price because it is highly affordable and user-friendly, especially for tax preparers managing a low volume of return. So the software is incredibly easy to use and navigate, and this makes it a great option for those newly entering the tax preparation scene. So you can actually choose a cheaper option in Tax Act Paper Return, but it is more limited and does not support corporate returns. And one thing you also need to consider is that you need to consider making your purchase several months before the tax season when discounted rates may be available. If you are starting a new tax preparation business, try Ultimate Tax 1040 Unlimited or Drake Tax Software Unlimited. This is available via the Ultimate DR package at an unbeatable price because they both offer unlimited e-filing and a host of other great features for a competitive price. Another possible option is the ATX 1040 package, although this is limited to 3 state returns and 75 free e-filings. This might be not enough for your firm, but it's something that you want to think about. If you're looking for a mobile tax preparation solution, your options include Ultimate Tax Online 1040, Alt Pro Web, My Tax Prep Office Essential, and TaxSlayer Pro Web. Ultimate Tax is the most affordable choice among all this. TaxSlayer is best for tax prep of individual income tax returns, and it has only limited support for corporate returns. So you can call them for further details. And if you are serving a lot of Spanish-speaking clients, TaxWise features comprehensive Spanish language support, having over 60 forms and schedules available in Spanish, and customers can expect bilingual tax support services. Ultimate Tax also has Spanish forms available on all products versions, and you can apply the user-friendly interview mode and assist in your Spanish-speaking clients to fill data entry fields. And one thing I want to say here is that if you are starting to take on corporate clients, you might want to think about Ultimate Tax Desktop 1040 Plus. This is definitely the most affordable software designed for corporate tax preparation because it gives you a limitless corporate return e-filing package. If for some reason you feel it's not okay for you, you can also try a TaxSlayer Pro Premium or Tax Act Professional Complete. And I just want to quickly say also that if you're looking for a software that integrates into a suite of related products, the solution you're looking for is either the Thomson Reuters CS Professional Suite, which includes UltraTax CS, or the CCH Pro System FX Suite, because these are high-end software solutions and are priced accordingly. And one possible third option is Lacerte Tax, and this is an Intuit software product similar to Pro Series, and this is kind of cool because Lacerte Tax has native integration with QuickBooks, SmartVault, Intuit Link, and Bloomberg BNA Tax Planner Bridge. So here you have it. So we kind of went through a lot of the software packages today. So you have to really, in the end, making the choice about the best tax software for tax preparers depends on whether you're looking for an advanced workflow system or a traditional workflow system. So if you're looking for an advanced workflow system, you are looking at Lacerte Tax, you're looking at Thomson Reuters Go System Tax RS, Thomson Reuters UltraTax CS, Wolters Kluwer CCH Access Tax, Wolters Kluwer CCH Pro System FX Tax. But if you're looking for traditional workflow systems, then you want to pay attention to Drake Tax, Intuit Pro Connect Tax Online, Intuit Pro Series Tax, My Tax Prep Office, Tax Act Professional, Tax Dome, TaxSlayer Pro, Walter Kluwer, CCH ATX, and Walter Kluwer, CCH TaxWise. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. Let's quickly recap today's conversation. Here is a recap. So the best tax software for tax preparers. Number 1, we have ProConnect Tax Online, 10 over 10. Number 2, Lacerte, 10 over 10. Number 3, Ultimate Tax, 9.5 over 10. Number 4, TaxWise, 9.5 over 10. Number 5, Drake Tax Software, 9.5 over 10. Number 6, Crosslink, 9 over 10. Number 7, Intuit Pro Series, 9 over 10. Number 8, TaxSlayer Pro, 9 over 10. Number 9, TaxAct, 8.5 over 10. Number 10, Alt Pro, 8.5 over 10. Number 11, Alt ATX, 8.5 over 10. Number 12, My Tax Prep Office, 8 over 10. Number 13, Ultra Tax CS, 8 over 10. Number 14, CCH Pro System FX Tax, 8 over 10. And number 15, the Federal Direct Tax, 7.5 over 10. Last but not the least. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. I will see you next time. But until then, remember, stay here. Moral.